Now machine. Console disassembly. Remove the 6 screws on the front of the console. You can take the console out. Rotate the buttons to the left or right. Remove control switch. Unscrew the retaining cap. Integral button can be taken out. Push button installation procedure. Reload button. Align X direction. Tighten the lid. Insert button controller. Test button. Rocker removal. Unplug the power cord first. Press on the white column. Rotate the rocker crystal head to remove the rocker. Remove the white column. Remove the 4 nuts that hold the rocker. You can take out the rocker base. Installation steps. Disassembly and assembly of the display. Unplug the connection cable. Unscrew the screws to remove the display.